Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha The Curse. And can we start with Zamafu? Guys, Uzamcolo, like, yo, you know what, you've never had a man like that, right? Good guy slept at the door just to protect umuntu wakhe, just to make sure that she doesn't sleepwalk. Yo, Luna, ayo ithi ngabazamcolo benza kahle ukuthi nje si-evaluate ukuthi our potential king bay are those the guys that we still want to be with, Angbon. But with that said, he reassured her, Uguti, I'm going to always be here. Then Unomafu asked Uguti, can it be somebody else, not you? Because you are a whole savior. You cannot be doing such. That's high, but until I get that person, I will be right here by the door. Yo, guys, see a straight Gundlovu, because like young she's in the Varandlovu. Undlovu, Serafunu Bizwa Intiga Amkulu. Akasa Undlovu, Nina. Zamcolo siphila uzogcina nama t-shirt athi Ndlovu dephila. But with that said, hayi seka umuntu ogcekayo anisebenzi madoda, hey nenzani kanti ena uguy akancwadanga nokuncwada ka re dipalwa ditlhakane buthisa abithisi abutse ngwana gae gore you know what, come look at these things for me and tell me ukuthi batha kwana umntana kambuza ukuthi wena ntsika kamkhululi bengaka ordain umuntu ukuthi ngibheka ibhuku zase temple lenkosi athi ngithi mina ntsika kamkhululi, I'm ordaining you right here right now. Ushintshile guys, ushintshe ne voice. Hayi guys, umalume asilungise indaba ka malume kilifehlo lena. Angazi ukuthi ngesizulu ngizothi yini. Umalume is a stirrer. Yeah, he stirs trouble, right? Uguy says to unomkhosi, njengoba nje ubusy lo ngale ubhuti wakho owakho umuntu eyakhe insika iphuza Viagra, so that makafika lo nimlungiselayo amthole already, because wena uzolanyiswa. Ngithi mina unomkhosi itemper yakhe kusele kancane ukuthi ugirl abest, because akafudi second wife ngakho konke anakho. However ke wangena ke unokubonga guys wearing black, so I don't know ukuthi uzilile from scratch or what does this mean, or culturally she had to wear black for this moment. But ugirl ufikile, and it was an emotional moment nje for unokubonga, for myself watching, because like even the welcoming, thinking about her husband that has passed on, it was just something else. But we hope ukuthi they will live happily ever after. Kamvelas ukhulekani ke masekafikile sekabona ukuthi unokubonga ufikile, before khuluma izinto eziningi wagijima uguy wayoqela nje wabiza uZamcolo ngawo wonke amagama besingacabanga ukuthi angambiza ngawo, athi nje ngiyazicelela ngicela ukuthi kube uwe othshada unokubonga, because uyabona ukuthi mina umshado wami nje is holding by the thread. So if I take a second wife, it will be the end of my marriage. So because when your church believes in this, you can do it. Mina my Jesus won't allow this to happen. So ngiyacela mfowethu, without ubona uZamcolo didn't even respond, lo sekathe danki. Unokubonga ke athi hayi, there's something that I need to sort out before nje I can get settled in. Ambuza ukuthi mabusi athi yini, athi no man, I just need to do this. Buza ke ayi kuMaMzobe, afika kuMaMzobe athi girl bengithi ngizoku-announcela ke ukuthi mina le wayithatha kimi ibuyile, sengine wumpu ngi-right, yonke into i-right. Umkhululi prayed for me and I'm 100% now. Whatever that you had planned for my life is not going to manifest, it's not going to work. MaMzobe, as again, she doesn't know the state of Zobilicious. Zobilicious asked, no girl, you got it all wrong. You were not the intended target. The intended target was Umabusi, and therefore the panties were swapped, and the wrong panty was taken. So this thing is not about you. She was saying, get off your high horses. I didn't want to bewitch you. I wanted to bewitch your sister wife. Hey, or whatever she is, Umabusi. Nokubonga bekutough kutense ukuthi earlier on ugabisile uyabona ukuthi hayi man ugirl uzokhuluma izindaba on the breakfast table. uMaMzobe ayiqale athi khona into eyenzekile kumkhululi in hayi ayigoqe very fast ugabisile ukuthi ingakhulumeki indaba. But here's the thing, uphakathi uyabona ukuthi man, there's something wrong. But now the problem is this something wrong is coming out at the wrong way, or in the wrong way, or at the wrong time, or in a wrong form, or in a wrong direction. This is why. It's because uMaMzobe ziyamshiya. MaMzobe nokinonyani tsepedi. Ciao! Luda, like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.